Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to talk about arithmetic operators in C. Here you can see the first one is addition. So this is for the addition, let's say x plus y. And this is the subtraction, and this is the multiplication, division. This is called modulus, I mean the division remainder. Let's say you want to divide in 5, okay, 5 by 2. So it will actually show you the result of 1. Why? Because when you going to divide 5 by 2, and you have to multiply 2 is to 2, and then it will be 4, then 5 minus 4 is going to be 1, and this 1 is the output of this modulus. Okay, that's it. And then increment, let's say you have something value 1, let's say, and when you go for the double plus plus, it will actually make your I mean the value is equal to the value plus 1. Let's say you have a 10 and you use 10 plus plus, so it will be 11. Okay, and let's say you have 12 and you use let's say you have a value of x equal to 12, and then if you use plus plus, I mean x plus plus, and then your value is going to be 12 plus 1. So plus plus means it will be incremented by 1. Okay, that's it. And decrement is same like increment, just you have to reduce by 1. Okay, so that's it. And now let's do it. I'm going to say I want to comment out it, so I will say like this. All right, now let's go here and I will write stdio.h, the header file, because I want to access all the functions. So yeah, I will say here int main, and I'm going to say return 0. At first, let's say I want to do the arithmetic operation, that is the addition. Okay, so let's say the x equal to, let's say 10, and I want to say y is equal to 11. And now I want to oh sorry, I have to mention the type int x and then here y. Okay, so these two value actually type is integer. Okay, so now let's say I want to say here int result. I want to say here x plus y, let's say x plus y, and I want to printf, oops, printf, and here I'm going to say like this, %d comma result. Now execute it, and here you can see the addition result. Now let's go for the subtraction. Same, I just have to say here minus, let's say, and it will show you -1 because the y value is bigger than x, right? So you can actually change it y minus x, and now it will show 1. So this is the subtraction. Now let's go for multiplication. I will say x to y, and it will show me 110. And now let's say I want to say here x plus plus, and if I show the result x, you can see it's 11. Why? Because the x value was 10, and when I increment it and then I print it, then actually you can see the value is 11, right? And let's say y minus minus, and I want to print the y, you can see 10 because now it's decremented by 1. Okay, that's it. So these are arithmetic operators.